How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your TikTok Live Studio display capture. So when you open up your TikTok Live Studio, it will look something like this. You have multiple options in order to capture your display. You have the Windows capture, game capture, and of course, the display capture. Now, all of this have different purposes. Basically, for game capture, it's specifically game captures that specific game, while the display capture captures basically all of your display. So to fix this, just click on the add source button, and basically from here you can then select the display capture. Unfortunately, if you're new to live streaming, it will be grayed out at first, but after a couple of streams, maybe after 3 streams for 25 minutes each on your TikTok account, you will unlock the display capture. So as of the moment, you just have to use something like game capture, window capture, and more. But to test this out, we then have to click on something. So I'm going to use the window capture as an example. And then from here, you then have to select the window that you want to capture. So if you scroll down, you will be able to look at all of the opened applications on your device. Let's select something like the TikTok Live Center right here. Click add source, and then it will open up that specific window, allowing us to stream the web page browser right here. So if you're on to something like display capture, you just have to select your monitor right here, and be that will basically fix the problem itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.